believe my eyes. You're joking me. You gotta be. This can't be the right guy.
You can hear a little grit. Can't be the right guy. What's going on, y'all? I am Jaren back with another voice analysis, and this is one that has been requested actually several times, and I've been wanting to get to it for a long time, so we're gonna do it today. It's a Disney classic, and the vocal execution is so good, so we're gonna talk about it right now. And since we're talking about Disney, I want to make sure y'all know about my Disney showcase coming up on May 18th. Make sure y'all get a ticket and show up in person, because it's not gonna stream the day of the show, okay? So show up in person, May 18th. It's gonna be fun, y'all. It's kind of like a reimagined Disney concert, if you will. So it's going to be live band, live singer. So make sure y'all are there May 18th. I'll see y'all, okay?
Well. What have we here? Santa Claus, huh? Ooh, I'm really scared. So you're the one everybody's talking about.
I love how animated his voice is here. You can hear a lot of different vocal colors. I'm scared. I'm talking about. You can hear a lot of vocal changes and vocal track maneuvering and moving within the execution of this song here. It is so good.
You're joking. You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're joking me. You gotta be. This can't be the right guy.
You can hear a little grit. Can't be the right guy. There's a tiny bit of grit, tiny bit of growl in his voice too right here.
He's ancient. He's ugly. I don't know which is worse. I might just split a seam now if I don't die laughing first.
I might just split a seam if I don't die laughing first. You see how I changed the vocal color? And I'm not doing exactly like him, but it was lower laryngally and kind of more open. I might just split a seam now if I don't die laughing. Kind of got more brighter, twangier, kind of more narrowed in the vocal track. Don't die laughing first. So there's a lot of vocal changes and a lot of intentional colorings to make this believable from the character. Ken Page is awesome.
Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand. You better pay attention now.
You better pay attention now. Little head voice flip right there. You better pay attention now. And there's a lot more punch in the consonants here. You better pay attention now. Yeah, there's a lot more punch and a lot more humor in the vocal delivery here.
I'm the boogeyman, and if you aren't shaking, there's something very wrong.
Something very wrong. And if you are shaking, it's almost like his voice shook. And if you aren't shaking, there's something very wrong. And it kind of sounds like fast vibrato, but I feel like it was a tremolo or like a trill. Something very wrong.
This may be the last time you hear the boogie song. Whoa,
whoa, whoa. This is very jazzy with the H stop, with the aspirate stop in there. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm the boogie man.
Release me now, or you must face the dire consequences. The children are expecting me, so please come to your senses.
You're joking! You're joking! I can't believe my ears! Would someone shut this fella up? I'm drowning in my tears.
You're joking! You're joking! I can't believe my ears! Someone shut this fella up! Again, a lot of different laryngeal changes. High larynx, low larynx, more narrow vocal tract, wider vocal tract. There's so many animated changes vocally that he's doing here that's really making this song so believable and fun to listen to. But he's still keeping it extremely musical at the same time. Let's be clear. This takes a lot of skill and vocal control to execute at this level. You know, he's really keeping it musical and keeping it in the character, but still doing a lot of things vocally to really be free in the character and deliver it to make us believe it. And look, we believe it, okay?
Honey, I'm laughing. You really are too much. And now, with your permission, I'm going to do my stuff.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to do the best I can.
Whoa!
Sound of rolling dice to me is music in the air.
I'm going to do the best I can. Whoa! with a tiny bit of grit. But the end of that phrase before was, I'm gonna do the best I can. Again, a lot of vocal changes are happening. And he's really being very aggressive in his delivery here, but it's a part of the character. All of these things are a part of the character that is the Oogie Boogie Man. You know what I'm saying?
I'm a gambling boogeyman, although I don't play fair. It's much more fun, I must confess.
Fair is unfair. I don't play fair. So spread and bright. I don't play fair.
When lives on the line, not mine, of course, but yours, oh boy. Now that'd be just fine.
Did you hear how low he got? But that'll be just fine. So he's here gritty. But that'll be just fine. And I can't do it like him. This shows you how wide the range is for the song too. A lot of different vocal colors. It's so good.
Release me fast or you will have to answer for this heinous act.
Oh, brother, you're something. You put me in a spin. You aren't comprehending the position that you're in.
It's almost like his voice the whole time has this shake. It's almost like this voice has just kind of a tremolo or a trill, like an underlining trill the entire time. There's a shake in his voice when he's delivering this song here.
It's hopeless. You're finished. You haven't got a prayer. Cause I'm Mr. Oogie Boogie and you ain't going nowhere.
If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And give this a thumbs up if you can as well. And as I will always continue to say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon.